This is the piazza in Panicale. This is like where all the life happens. There's some restaurants and cafes. The place we like to hang out is down there at Bar Gallo. And it's sort of ground central for Panicale. Oopsie. And today started out really sunny and now it's a little overcast, but that's okay. But Johnny got out and is painting. And here he is. Oh, with his awesome Italian apron. Yeah. He did one earlier up the street of La Podesta, big building up there. And then now he's working on a really sweet little piece. The piazza. This is great. Oh, look it. We're happy because it's not raining.
Yeah.
Tasha's coming today. Okay, I'm gonna go get bread.
This is about done.
Is it?
See?
Okay. We'll say ciao.